Hello, my name is Carol Phillips. I'm from Pekin, Illinois, and I found LeafFilter through a brochure in the Postal Service in my mailbox. Decided to call them because I was having some issues with my gutters. So I called them. They came out quickly, gave me a quote, and within days, the team arrived. They were very courteous, very friendly. They were very knowledgeable. They did exactly what I was quoted that they would do. They inspected my gutters, made some adjustments, even made some repairs, and then cleaned them and got right with it and put the filters over the top. Just yesterday, we had over a half inch of rain, storms, high winds. And the performance of LeafFilter was spot on. There was no rain coming over the edge of the gutters, which is one of my fears. But all the rainwater came off the roof, went into the gutter, down the downspout, and out into the drainage as they told me that it would do. I would definitely recommend LeafFilter, and I have actually recommended them already to neighbors, friends, and family. But I would definitely recommend LeafFilter.